In this video, I show you how to restore the default layout in Shotcut. Hi everyone, my name is Joe and welcome to Ubitronics. On this channel, I help you learn open source software. Now today, we're going to be looking at how to reset the default Shotcut layout. Now this is what you would expect to see with the default layout, and what can happen is when you're working and when you're new to, you can drag and you can make mistakes and things can end up going places that you don't want them to, and you can end up with a bit of a mess. So how do we correct that? It's very simple. You can do it manually by dragging all of the elements and putting them back into place, or if you don't know where they should go, then click onto View, go to Layout, and then click on Restore Default Layout. As you can see, it all goes back to its original settings. If this video has helped you, please remember to like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below. Otherwise, I'll see you in the next video.